I'm Jeckle, and we're here on the double.
We're silly and funny and always in trouble.
I'm that crazy, goofy vampire duck. I sure would like to scare you, but I never have the luck.
And now, the new adventures of Heckle and Jeckle and Quackula.
I say, Heckle, the South Seas are really my idea of paradise.
Yeah, couldn't agree with you more, Jeckle. Yeah, but we ain't got the bread for that sort of trip.
I say, we don't need money, old chum. After all, this is a cartoon. This is the life. Such peace, such tranquility.
Such a racket.
I say, native musicians.
Take a gander at that, would you?
The sweet strains of the islands, unchanged in thousands of years.
Now that's my kind of music.
Quiet! Who's making all that noise?
Who's the big-footed chap coming?
That Ironbeard! Toughest, meanest, awfulest traitor in all the South Seas!
Now what's going on out here so's a person can't take a nap?
I say, old chap, didn't mean to cause a ruckus.
Yeah, we was just leaving.
Ah, fresh recruits for me illegal pearl diving operations. Grab 'em! You're going to love it working for old Ironbeard, me hearties. Huh?
Hand is quicker than the eye. Want to try again?
Somebody's trying to pull the wool over old Ironbeard's eyes.
I say, sorrow in paradise? Dry your eyes, my sweet, and tell us what troubles you.
Yeah, give it to us straight. Like what's bugging you?
It's that mean old Ironbeard. He makes my people die for pearls in the sacred clam beds.
Dangerous work.
No pay, I bet. What you need is a strong union.
Exactly, old chum.
Why, that dog. He's paying him peanuts.
I say, that fellow needs a lesson in fair play.
You two!
Perhaps we were a bit too hasty before.
Yeah, we'd really like to give this pearl diving business a try, you know?
You've come to the right place, me hearties. Old Ironbeard will help you get your feet wet.
Why do you always get us into these fixes?
Because I'm the smart one. That's why.
Hey, cut the chatter. Over the side and don't come back without a basket load of pearls.
Huckleberry Finn.
I say, which way to the pearl beds?
You don't suppose they mean us?
Certainly not us. On the other hand, It might mean us. I say, maybe we can get some pearls in here.
This ain't gonna be so easy.
Look, chum, pearl machines.
I'm broke.
What luck. A $5. It's too big. I'll have to get change. Excuse me. Could you break a file? This ought to do the trick.
We hit pay dirt.
Now to tie up a couple of loose ends there.
Hey, hurry it up down there. I ain't got all day, you know.
Anytime you're ready, old man.
Wow, must be a fortune in pearls.
No less than you deserve, sir.
Hardy har. Lovely little pearls. Mucho buckaloonies.
Gitchy, gitchy, goo.
During this scene, we shall entertain you for your viewing pleasure.
Not that! No! Stop it, I say! Stop it! Yeah! Oh, no! Oh, no!
You know, I'm gonna hate to leave this place.
Then why don't we stay? At least until the next cartoon.